Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few potato hacks from 5-minute crafts and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I'm going to cut a block of cheese into kind of a stick shape. Poke a skewer into it. Here I have mashed potato. I boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes, added 1 tablespoon cream, salt and black pepper powder, whisked it अच्छे से. Now take approximately 2 tablespoon mashed potato on your palm. Flatten it out a bit. Place the cheese and cover it with the mashed potato. Shape it into kind of a corn dog. Instead of using egg wash, I'm going to use seasoned corn flour slurry. Dip the corn dog, rather the potato dog we made, into the slurry. Coat it with the breadcrumbs. Shallow fry till they are nice and golden brown. Flip it carefully and serve hot. It looks amazing. Let's cut and see the inside. Wow, the cheese is perfectly melted and the taste is amazing as well. The taste completely depends on the seasoning of the mashed potatoes. It's a great option for vegetarians out there. This hack was successful. For the next hack, I'm going to cut the potato into a square shape. We only need the core part and don't waste the cutout part. You can boil them or use them to make sabji. Now place 2 skewers like so. It will help to not cut all the way through the potato. This side you have to cut in vertical direction. Flip it over and cut it in slant direction. It's not exactly like them, but the cutting is quite good. Fry it from all the sides till it's golden brown. They didn't mention, but I'm going to season it with some mixed herbs. Let's taste it now. It turned out so good. It looks great and something very unique. It's super crispy and has a nice bite. You can definitely impress your guests by serving a different dish. This hack was a success. For the next hack, add 1 tablespoon oil on a pan. Now place the slices of potato in circular manner like so. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Cover it with the lid and let it cook till the cheese melts completely. Remove the lid and apply the pizza sauce. Add any toppings you like. I added boiled corn and capsicum. Again sprinkle the mozzarella cheese. Some black pepper powder. Cover again till the cheese melts. I'm going to skip adding the egg since I don't see the point of adding it. Our potato pizza is ready. Looks amazing. The base is super golden and perfectly crisp. Even the taste is great. Definitely try this recipe if you can't find a pizza base or you want to eat a flawless pizza. This hack was a big success. For the next hack, cut the potato into slices but cut it lengthwise. Again, instead of using egg, I'm using corn flour slurry. Dip the potato in the slurry. Coat it from both the sides with breadcrumbs. Shallow fry it from both the sides. Remove it on a plate. Place cheese slice, few cucumber slices. You can actually add any veggies or use any filling you like. Cover it with the other fried potato. Serve it with any sauce you like. Let's cut and see. By the looks, I thought that it would be undercooked from inside since the slices were supposed to be a bit thicker. But surprisingly, it's cooked throughout and the taste is nice. It's a great hack to avoid bread. Yes, it's fried, but it's always better to replace bahar ka junk with homemade junk. So this hack was successful. The next recipe is very lengthy, but I always wanted to try it. Because of the lockdown, I couldn't find the sour cream, but I have a jugaad. Just add 1 tablespoon vinegar into 3/4 cups of fresh cream. Don't mix it, keep it as it is in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now remove and whisk. You will immediately see the cream has started to thicken. Place it in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. Till then, in a baking tray, I'm placing 4 potatoes. Pour olive oil over it, sprinkle some salt and bake it for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After baking, place it on a chopping board and remove the upper part. Scoop out the inside portion in a bowl, keeping the skin intact. Add 1/4 cup of the sour cream we made, 1 tablespoon green onion, salt, black pepper powder and mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of this mixture in the hollow part of the potato. On a baking tray, I'm adding a layer of mashed potato from the first hack. Place the potatoes upside down. Pour the bechamel, that is white sauce, over it. Sprinkle some cheese and bake again for 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. It smells so good while baking. Serve it hot. I'm going to season it with some mixed herbs and chili flakes. Let's cut. Okay, so it's not satisfying at all and nothing like the video. But let's taste it. The taste is nice. Here the potato is like the actual star, not the regular flavor we are used to, but it's very creamy. I liked it, so this hack was also a success. For the last hack, I'm going to grate 3 peeled potatoes. Add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon flour, mix and add the seasoning, that is salt and black pepper powder. Mix it again. Grease the waffle machine with oil or butter. Place the mixture over it. Spread it out evenly. Cook till it's brown enough. It comes off very easily from the waffle iron. Serve it hot with any sauce you like. The taste is okay. It's perfectly crispy from the outside and soft from the inside, but I'm not a huge fan of the egg in it. I can't taste the potato at all. The hack works. For me, this hack was a 50-50. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Guni Dhingra, Ranjot Bhullar and Lakshita Singh. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.